Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 29th of September. And first of all, national news. Chandigarh Airport named after Bhagat Singh days after PM Modi's announcement. Centre to extend free ration scheme by 3 more months, sources said. For 500 per night. Uttarakhand to offer real jail experience to tourists. Raids underway in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch in terror funding case. Copes. Bomb manuals, Mission 2047 document found in popular front raids, probe agencies. PM Modi congratulated Italy's far-right leader on winning election. Hair transplants must be performed only by qualified persons, the National Medical Commission. Yogi Adityanath inaugurated Lata Mangeshkar Chowk in Ayodhya on Wednesday. In a first, Kolkata Durga Puja entered the world of metaverse. And now some international news. Australian state announced world's biggest pumped hydroelectric scheme. US to operate undaunted, unafraid in Taiwan Strait, says Kamala Harris. Sabotage deliberate acts, European leaders on leaks in gas pipelines. North Korea may conduct nuclear test after October 16, South Korea spy agency. US announced multi-billion-dollar plan to end obesity, hunger. Australian state announced world's biggest pumped hydroelectric scheme. Millions urged to evacuate Florida as Hurricane Ian intensifies. Robot developed by US universities run 100 meters in 24.73 seconds sets New Guinea's world record. Now some sports news. India pacer Mohammad Shami test negative for COVID-19. FIFA launched 3-episode series on life career of legendary footballer Sunil Chhetri. Ex-Nigeria and Chelsea star John Obi Mikel announced retirement. Spain's near Nations League semi-spot from Portugal with late Alvaro Morata winner. Lionel Messi in the 100 club as Argentina's streak continues with Jamaica rout. Max Verstappen on verge of second world title as Formula One returns to Singapore. Formula One to double number of sprints to 6 in 2023. Now news related to business. Sell off in Nifty, Sensex extends to 6th straight day, more pain ahead. Better for RBI to allow rupee to depreciate a bit, SBI report. Forex reserves set to shrink further. Stir memories of 2008 crisis, a report said. India doesn't need so many public sector banks, former SBI chief. 4% dearness allowance hike, festive cheer for 47 lakh central employees. Oil prices slip as dollar soars to new record high. RBI's panel to start 3-day meet on Wednesday, another rate hike highly likely. And now news related to science. NASA said Artemis 1 October launch will be difficult, shelters SLS rocket from Hurricane Ian. NASA's DART mission first step towards preventing possible asteroid Armageddon, Indian scientists said. Mumbai cops bag award for use of fingerprint technology in probe. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.